Hello friends, welcome to Magical House. Today I have a super fun drawing for you. We're going to draw a beautiful cow. Are you ready? Let's start. We'll begin by drawing her big, adorable eyes. Draw several circles to give them shape. Then, grab a black marker and outline the eyes, the eyelids, the lashes, and even the eyebrows. Look how cute she's already looking. Next, draw 2 small circles for her nose and a little curved line for her happy smile. Now, let's add 2 little horns on top of her head and round ears on each side to complete her face. Time to draw a necklace with a little bell. Imagine the fun ding-ding sound it makes when she walks. Let's draw her big, round body. Add her 4 legs and don't forget her hooves. They're like her little shoes. Then, draw her tail at the back. Cows are known for their spots, so let's draw some all over her body with fun shapes. And don't forget the udder. This is where the yummy milk we drink comes from. Now, let's bring her to life with colors. Use black for her spots and hooves. Pink for her udder and ears, and sky blue for her eyes. For the little bell on her necklace, use orange and paint her horns with orange and yellow. Add a touch of gray for some shadow. Finally, paint the grass green because that's what cows love to eat. And we're done. Look at our adorable cow. She's all finished and looking amazing. I loved it. If you loved it too, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next Magical House video. Bye, friends.